One of the most promising features of myViewBoard is AI Pen. To use this artificial intelligence pen, click on the marker option. This option refers to AI Pen. As I click here, it takes me to a window like this. Now, whatever I doodle here, for instance, I have doodled a star, it will give me a lot of searches which would be similar to this doodling. So here is the option that matches best to my requirement. Whichever option you think matches to your requirement, simply drag and drop it to my view board. As you can see, the picture is already here. Now, in case you long press here on this option, then it will give you a lot of Google searches on this one. So again, if you want a Google searched picture, all you need to do is choose the picture that you want and drop it on the screen. Now, as you can see, this picture is already there on my screen. Let me remove all the other things. So here is the picture that I have just taken from Google. So I have two images of star. First one is just a drag and drop from a list of options that it has shared with me, and the second one is a Google searched picture.